Okay, here we are again, working on this truck. That's kind of the price you pay, I guess, for buying a used vehicle and not having payments. Guess what's going out? The water pump. Yep. So, you hit me.
Sorry, I'm working. You're just filming.
Hey, that's working too. Documenting is important. Anyways, here we are. Changing the water pump. Dropping tools in the engine.
That's fine, just metal.
Alright, so the fan just fell. We finally did the hardest part, disconnected it. Now we get to lift the shroud and all this junk apart so we can actually access that pulley right here. I got stuff to do inside. I'm tired of working on this thing, but whatever, I guess. That's how it goes. Alright, we got it off finally. Now we're just taking it off of the vehicle. Fan shroud with the fan.
I don't know where it's...
Well, here, it's caught up here. Pull this in. Hang on. Lower it back down. Put the fan inside the shroud. Now lift it up. There we go. Okay. Now we can, the water pump is this right here. Can remove these four. Take this pulley off. Then I'll be able to access the 3 bolts for the water pump. And I'm also, while I'm at it, going to replace this belt, which is very old and cracked. This right here puts tension on the belt system. And I'm going to use this giant ratchet bar to relieve the tension so I can just pull the belt off the system. Alright, here we are. The belt's finally off. I'm also trying to take this pulley off here. Okay. This is a water pump right here. Sounds squeaky. Supposedly this is what was leaking or weeping antifreeze. And this is the idle pulley. This is a tension pulley, and I just found something not good. It's not supposed to sound like a skateboard. It's supposed to glide. I have one of these. Do not have one of these. I bought one, but when I got home it was duplicate one of these. Was an idiot and didn't check the parts bag, and now I'm stuck here with all this stuff torn apart. So that's not fun. I gotta figure out how I can maybe convince a neighbor to take me into town to get one of these. That's no good. That's how it goes. I'm now removing the fan clutch so I can install the new fan clutch. This is what tells the fan to turn on or not. Has one of those old school thermostats in the form of like a copper coil that heats up and opens it up. Okay, so I think that should do it. That was hard. Okay, now I guess it installs. It may not be the funnest thing to do, but it's not super complicated for most of the stuff working on vehicles, and it'll save you a grip of money, because nobody likes getting dirty hands and working on their cars, right? Alright, there we go. Nice and shiny. Now for the rest of it. Well, super excited about this. I went to open the pulley that I got that says idler pulley, and it actually happened to have my tensioner pulley in it. I'm really excited about that. Looks like they just share the same box, so there wasn't a mix-up at the store. And I had already purchased this and planned to replace it a couple weeks ago. So here I am. Got everything I need to pretty much fix this whole system. So now this fat one matches up with this fat one here. See that there? And then this other one, which I guess is the tensioner pulley, matches up with that one. Moving right along. Alright, I got the tensioner off. Now I'm going to replace this noisy pulley.
Wow. Okay, now that is not holding me.
Well, we tried to catch all of it. Mostly. Yeehaw!
Yeah, so I think
Water pump removed.
finally.
Sun's still up. Well, hours later.
Huh? How many hours later?
Too many? No leaks. That blue silicone there is on the brand new gasket. That white blur you see is on a brand new belt. Good to go. You scared me, dude.
I just heard no leaks and it's working, so that's good.
Yep.